Hello, and today I want to show you how to get iOS 14 Developer Beta 1 or iPadOS Developer Beta 1 on your iPhone or your iPad. This is a very exciting release, bringing a ton of features like widgets on your home screen, picture-in-picture video. When you get a phone call, it doesn't take up your whole screen. There's so much stuff in here, and I'm so excited about it. And it's already able to be gotten. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go and make sure that your device is up to date. Now, you can do this, or not up to date, it's fully backed up. You can do this either through iCloud, or you can plug it into your computer and do it physically there. But you're going to want to make sure you do that because no one knows how stable it is, no one knows how unstable it is, no one knows if your updates will fail, and if you don't want it on your device, there is no way to go back without losing your information unless you make a backup on iOS 13 right now, because you can't restore back to older firmwares. So you're going to want to make a backup. So this way you'll be safe if it fails, if it's unstable, if your phone crashes for any reason, you'll be able to go back to exactly how you were before with all your files and settings, how you left them. So you're going to want to make sure you have a recent iCloud backup or backup to your computer. Now the next thing I want to do is go to betaprofiles.com and you'll be able to download everything right now. So right here you'll see iOS beta profile. Just tap download and it will load up. The website's very slow right now. These literally were uploaded to the website probably about 5 minutes ago now. But basically you just want to wait for it to load this, and then you'll get a button that says allow. Tap allow, and it basically just is saying the website wants to download a beta profile. And then from there you're going to want to go to settings, and it is going to come up and you're going to have to tap allow at the top because it'll want to install that profile. And then it'll ask you for your passcode, and then you're going to have to turn your phone off but by doing the slide to power off, and then turn it back on. And then from there you should be able to go into software update and give it a second, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will let me do the update. There it is. So it will let me do the update. 4.15 gigs, that's a pretty big update. So we're going to download and install. You're going to have to put your passcode in, and that should be all there is to it. This is very quick for a beta to go out into the wild. Wait, this is a public beta. Huh. Okay, so apparently there's already a public beta. I don't know. This is weird. Either way, this is iOS 14 right here. Now, one thing I want to go over that I haven't gone over quite yet is device compatibility. This runs on every single device that ran iOS 13. Now, as far as the iPad Air 2 goes, I'm not 100% sure. Some reports have said yes, some had said no. I'll try and figure that out and throw it in editing. However, this video is going to be very quickly thrown together because I want to get it up as soon as possible. But that's pretty much all that there is to say. So it's downloading now. That's good. So I'll come back once this is done downloading, I guess. Okay, we are almost here to be done with the preparing update phase. So, everything here is, after this is done, is going to be exactly how you'd expect. It's going to be just like any other boring software update, if it ever finishes.
A few moments later.
That tiny little bit. Literally pretty much as soon as I turned off the computer, or not the computer, the camera, whatever this thing right here is a camera, it was done. So we can hit install now. Ooh, verifying the update. This is where things could get dicey. Come on. Verify that update. Verify that update. Come on. You can do it. Verify the update. Ooh. That's a good start. I like where this is going. Show me an apple. Yeah. Ooh, show me an apple with a line under it. Oh, that was a different sort of spinny wheel. Line looks about the same. Okay, I guess we'll be back whenever this part's done. Okay, I don't really know how long it took because I was editing the first portion of this video. All that I know is that it is done now. It says hello. It wants my passcode. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14, baby. Continue. This is a confidential pre-release seed. No one cares. Yeah, I agree. Alright, fine. Don't share. Ooh, that was laggy. We're in for a treat, I bet. Okay, that's fine. Cool, so let's swipe. Oh, that's nice there. Look at that. Okay, so. Yeah, this is strictly an install video. I'm not going to go through any of the features because I don't know them yet. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope that you were able to get iOS 14 running on your phone and you can have fun exploring it. I'm not responsible for anything that may happen to your phone. This is beta 1 software. Keep that in mind. But if you choose to install this on your phone, I'm sure you will have a ton of fun. So, well, actually, one feature I do want to try and use is picture-in-picture because I want to, you get it for the thumbnail of the video. It's not going to work for the YouTube app. But, yeah, I guess we go to YouTube. And let's just type in iOS 14.
What's up, guys? Today is the first day.
Oh, what?
What's up, guys? Today is the first day of WWDC 2020, and you're probably all super stoked for iOS 14. If you are, hit that like button down below. But in today's video, we'll show you all how you can download and install the first iOS 14
Yes.
beta on your personal devices, so you can take part of the beta process.
How do you get to the new list view of apps? Okay, this is how. Okay. This right here. It's thumbnail time. Here is our thumbnail. Yes. So that is how to get everything all installed and ready to go. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Goodbye. And have fun. And I'm sorry I knocked my microphone over, it looks like, so there was probably a big bang in the audio at some point. But anyway, thanks for watching and goodbye.